Welcome to Advantage Machinery's virtual showroom, where right now we're going to be demonstrating a wide variety of our e-commerce and fulfillment center solutions. Along with these solutions, we also have other developments that we're working on for the e-commerce business. So if you have any needs for e-commerce packaging, please make sure to reach out to us.
The S50 continuous motion side seal is a very versatile machine. In this application, we're actually wrapping very heavy kitty litter. Each one of these boxes weighs approximately 40 pounds. We have beefed up our machine throughout, from beginning to end, including putting idler rollers underneath the conveyor belts to make sure that there's no additional stress in the conveyor belts. The rollers, the linear bearings, the motors are all heavy duty. The S50 is a very versatile machine in that it could be used in a lot of applications. With just a little customization between one model and another, we can retrofit it to fit your application. In this one particular case of kitty litter, the customer that sells this product, they actually receive pallets of product in at a single time, and they shrink wrap all of it as it comes in. As they pull their orders, they go and they individually put them in separate boxes in order for shipping. The reason they shrink wrap the kitty litter is to avoid loss of products in case it gets damaged in shipment. The shrink wrap actually protects the kitty litter from spilling and contaminating the other products in it. The SXE is a 3-belt intermittent side seal, which you have the cross seal that's going to be after the side seal. This allows you to have a lot more control on your film and your scrap. The machine comes standard with a 6-foot belted in-feed conveyor. Everything is controlled through the touchscreen control for ease of operation. This machine was designed so in between different products that are run, the operator can go and just pull up a product from the memory by scanning the barcode of the next product that it's going to run. The operator scans the product, and as you will see, the machine automatically will change size in 5 different adjustment points. Those adjustment points being the width of the product, the inverting head height, the side seal height, and the cross seal height, along also with the position of the roll. The actual roll film carriage, adjust the width per the different size as needed. The operator is always going to grab the very first product that ran through there in order to get the excess bag out of there, and they just press the reset and start button, and they're ready for the next production run. This feature is great, particularly for fulfillment centers that are doing a lot of online packaging, that they just need to go and prepare all the same products that come from a single shipment, prepared for individual e-commerce business. This facilitates the operators in not needing them to change over every single aspect of the machine. This is going to save on labor, it's going to save on machine wear and tear, and it's going to increase uptime of the equipment tremendously. When the conveyor width change, all you need to do is just change the guides of the in-feed conveyor to be able to match the guide of the first spacing conveyor in order to continue running product. Optionally, we can also make this feature fully automatic by adding another servo motor and being able to center the in-feed conveyor alongside with the spacing conveyor. Our in-feed belts feature idler rollers underneath the conveyor belts, which allows the conveyor belt to run on top of those rollers, not to create too much tension and stress on the belts. This model machine is great for a lot of different applications, not just the fulfillment centers. This type of machinery is used for odd-shaped products, very tall products, also in textiles and carpet, flooring, a lot of different applications this equipment is suitable for. The machine can run both opaque and clear film using the exact same setup on the machine without any changeover necessary. The tunnel featured on here is a T65 tunnel, which, like the T63, also features the viewing window and the maintenance hinge. This is a video of an L802 vertical L-bar sealer. Many clients produce or they even repack products that are sold through different online retailers. A lot of those retailers make demands in terms of how the product needs to be packed for their shipping processes. In this one particular customers, they have a wide variety of products, from socks to neck coverings, Tupperware, clothes hangers, a very wide variety of product, and they need to shrink wrap it all prior to sending it to the online retailer. The 802 for them was a very versatile machine. They could do all their products, not only for the ease of access to be able to change size, but also to be able to do a very tall product as well, the same machine being able to go up to 12 inches tall. They wrap their products in both clear and opaque film depending on the product they're selling. As you can see, the vertical L-bar sealer is like a guillotine style where it goes perfectly parallel up and down every single cycle. The seal bars are adjustable, so you can adjust them to the height of the product, and the seal's always in the center. In this application, we're showing our S50 continuous motion side sealer wrapping insulation products for food kit and grocery e-commerce shipping. This installation is made by overwrapping different starch or insulation products with both poly or paper products. Our equipment is capable of doing it with poly, and we have other versions as well that can do both poly and paper wrapping. The continuous motion side seal is great to be able to achieve high speeds in doing these type of applications, and the side seal allows you to run infinite length so the clients can choose their desired length for their installation products. These machines are made to be heavy duty and run in 24-hour operation settings. Ease of access for maintenance and operators are one of the key buying points for these machines. In this video, our S50 continuous motion side seal is wrapping dog food products in opaque film for shipping. Online retailers and national retailers struggle in finding the best way to be able to ship their oversized products while reducing shipping costs. Our S50 can wrap the products in multiple different configurations, including, like you see here, in just bagging it without making any shrink. You can also run the products while shrinking them. In this one particular application, we're only running the dog food products without a tray, while shrinking them at the same time. The S50 continuous motion side sealer has 4 servo motors, the infeed belt, the side seal belt, the cross seal belt, and also the box motion. Our T63 tunnel has very strong and efficient airflow to be able to do great shrink film while conserving energy. The viewing windows allows the operator to be able to see exactly what's happening in the entire shrink process. In this section, we're showing different ways retailers can ship their product. In this one application, we're actually doing a 4-sided tray. This allows a lot more consistency with the length, width, and height of the product. So for shipping purposes, better long-term rates can be negotiated with the suppliers.
Thank you for visiting Advantage Machinery's virtual showroom. We at Garrido pride ourselves in providing high-quality equipment with the best customer service and support available. Please make sure to reach out to us for any packaging needs you may have.